Guys, welcome back. I'm Heather. If you're new to my channel, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Welcome back. And today I have another video of what I'm doing. So I got a few things going on this morning. I'm making car diffusers. And also I'm making some wax melts with glitter for the fall. So I just got a few things going on this morning. Got a lot to do for some customers. So I want to make the mixture for my diffusers. I'm going to put you down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so when making car diffusers, you want to get a reed diffuser base. I get mine from Candle Science. And the flavor or the scent that I'm making today is Black Sea. But it's like a black ice type deal. It smells really good. It smells like a sweet black ice. And when making car diffusers, you want to do a 2-to-1 ratio. So for mine, I do a 2-to-1. I do 2 ounces of the diffuser base, and then I'll put 1 ounce of the scent. It's gonna take forever. Got my 2 ounces of reed diffuser oil. Well, the reed diffuser base. Now I'm going to put 1 ounce of Black Sea. I'll be right back. No, I was going to measure it out, but I'm not. This stuff makes the mess when you're trying to pour slow, so I use a dropper. You should have 3 ounces of this once you have it pre-made. And you also want to buy it with a small tip so it's easier to pour. And then you just shake it a little bit to get it stirred. And these Moon Mojo car diffusers are great. And you can sell these anywhere from $3 to $6. I mean 3 to 12. Well, 3 to 10. Depending on what you want to sell them for, your market that you're trying to sell to, and whatnot. But these are how they look. They're so pretty. And on the inside, it's got the wood diffuser. It comes with the little stoppers that you put in the top. Then you want to fill them just to the rim of the bottle. And then you can put the stopper in it that I'm going to lose. And if you want to, you can put a little dab on the inside so people can smell them. But they're pretty stout, so you should be able to smell them without that. There it is filled. And then I'll put it back in the little paper that it come in. And so it's still in this plastic. And you can also give like samples for refills if you would like. But that's totally up to you. Some people do, some people don't. Sorry, I was too high, I couldn't see. And they got these cool little strings to where you can tie them. Pretty cool. And I'll just put them back in their package and seal them back off. And they'll be ready for their new homes. And these are way better than stuff that you can buy in the stores, because to me they smell better, they last longer, because I've been using one of these, but I use Chardonnay scented in mine, and I've done refilled it once, and I've had these for maybe 2 months. Well, I've been making them for 2 months. I've sold a few, but to me they last longer than air fresheners that you buy in the store. And they're cute, hanging from your mirror. You can hang them on your mirror, or if you got an SUV, you can hang it on like one of the racks in the back of the car. I've had people buy them and put one in the front of the car and one in the back. So, and you can also make like refills for them if you want to. I have some glass tubes to where I sell a refill kit for like 20 bucks. And that little glass tube will refill it 2 or 3 times. So, I hope you like this video. If you want one of these, you can message me on Instagram at hs_vinyl_creations. Or you can email my business email, which is hsvinylcreations@gmail.com. as well as Facebook. I have a Facebook page, HS Vinyl Creations. Let's see, I think that's all I got. And I also have a Instagram page for my YouTube channel, and it's called the_shenanigan_fam. And so please reach out to me if you want one of these, or if you need helps or tips on how to make them. If you're making a bigger batch, I can help you with the measurements for that. So just reach out to me. I'm always available to answer your questions, or if you want orders. I have an Etsy shop too, but I don't sell a lot on there, but my diffusers are on my Etsy shop, and that is HS Vinyl Creations. I hope you like this video. Please smash that subscribe button and click that red notification bell, and you'll be notified of every video I upload. Also, please like, share, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.